overhead the service call, and it's that the equipment, the cooling efficiency inside is not where the customer expects it, thinks it should be. I think the line temperature is a little high, definitely. Again, I used the H10 to see if we had a leak out here. I didn't find one. I can see my pressures are definitely off on the section. So I'm gonna go underneath, check the coil, see if something is leaking inside.